Welcome to In 5 Minutes. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking Supreme Court case. Get ready for a whirlwind of law, politics, and potential history in the making. In a move that's reverberating through the corridors of power and across the United States, the Supreme Court has stepped into a legal thunderstorm. It's a decision that has all eyes fixated on the highest court in the land. At the heart of this legal maelstrom is a question that strikes at the very core of our nation's values and its tumultuous political landscape. The burning issue? Former President Donald Trump's place on the Colorado ballot for the crucial 2024 presidential race.
But this is no ordinary legal wrangle. The stakes are stratospheric. It's a case steeped in the haunting shadows of the January 6th insurrection and the potent words of the 14th Amendment. This is a narrative woven from the threads of history, democracy, and the very soul of the American political saga. The 14th Amendment's insurrection clause, a relic from the Civil War era, resurrected in the wake of modern turmoil. Why does this matter? It's not just about one man's political ambitions. This Supreme Court review could set a precedent that echoes through time, influencing not just the immediate election but the very fabric of how America perceives its leaders and their accountability. Imagine the ramifications. A ruling here could reshape the political landscape, challenging our understanding of justice and leadership. It's a decision that could resonate through the annals of history, a defining moment in the epic tale of American democracy. In this unfolding drama, the Supreme Court holds not just the fate of one individual but potentially the future direction of a nation at a crossroads. It's a judicial odyssey set against the backdrop of a deeply divided country, seeking answers and clarity from the venerable guardians of its Constitution. Stay with us as this story unfolds. Your thoughts, your voice, matter in this pivotal moment in our nation's history. This is In 5 Minutes, where history is happening now. Picture this: a single ruling, a razor-thin 4-3 decision by the Colorado Supreme Court, sending shockwaves across the nation's political spectrum. A moment that could be etched in history books for generations. This wasn't merely a judgment, it was a thunderbolt from the judiciary, casting a long shadow over the political aspirations of former President Donald Trump. A shadow that might just grow longer, stretching far beyond the Rocky Mountains of Colorado. But let's pause and zoom out. This judicial drama isn't confined within the borders of Colorado. Oh no, it's a story that's finding echoes in corners far and wide. We're witnessing a domino effect, a ripple through the very fabric of our national political dialogue. Maine, following Colorado's lead, has already scrubbed Trump's name from their ballot. Oregon's courts are poised on the brink of a similar decision. It's a legal and political ballet, with each state performing its own intricate steps under the watchful eyes of the nation. We're not just witnessing a series of isolated legal skirmishes. This is a broader narrative, one that might redefine the contours of political eligibility in America. It's a saga of power, precedent, and the profound implications of a nation's constitution being put to the test. In this unfolding tapestry of American democracy, every thread, from Colorado's bold ruling to Maine's decisive action, and Oregon's impending choice, weaves together a story of unprecedented judicial scrutiny and the relentless pursuit of constitutional clarity. Stay with us as we continue to unravel this intricate legal and political narrative. Your insight is crucial in these defining moments of our democracy. This is In 5 Minutes, where every second counts in the journey of justice. We are at a crossroads in history where the fate of our nation's highest office hangs in the balance. This is not just a story about a name on a ballot. It's about the pulsing heart of American democracy. At the epicenter of this legal earthquake is none other than former President Donald Trump. But the tremors go deeper, reaching into the bedrock of the Constitution itself. The 14th Amendment, a cornerstone of our legal heritage, is now under the nation's microscope. Why does this matter? Because it's a battle that could redefine the landscape of American politics. Think back to Bush versus Gore, a case that reshaped the 2000 presidential election. We're standing at the threshold of another such historic juncture. As we gear up for the next chapter in the saga, remember, the implications are monumental. It's not just about the 2024 election. It's about how we interpret our Constitution and define the limits of power. As we delve deeper into this riveting story, your engagement matters. If this journey through the corridors of power and justice captivates you, show your support. Like, share, and subscribe to In 5 Minutes, where we bring history and today's headlines into focus.